Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into my show, Juicing with Jade, where I show you how to incorporate freshly squeezed juice and clean foods into your daily meal plan and lifestyle. In today's episode, I'm showcasing Tart cherries. So let's begin. I'm just washing off some of these Tart cherries to get ready to make Tart cherry juice. And I'm going to talk to you about all the wonderful benefits that Tart cherry juice provides. So I'm going to pull out my masticator to juice these cherries now that I've taken all the pits out of them. So that's a good tip. Please remember to remove the pits before you juice your cherries or before you blend them in a blender, because you don't want to have that kind of a problem where you've blended or juiced your cherries with the seeds still in it. But the best way to get all of the benefits and all of the juice out of your cherries is to use the masticator. So here's my masticator, and I've already taken all the pits out, so I'm just kind of pushing those through my masticator to get all the juice out of it as possible. You also want to use your masticator if you're going to juice berries, because those things don't go well in a bigger juicer. So as I said, today I'm showcasing Tart cherry juice. It is a naturally sweet, satisfying, and very thirst-quenching drink. Although summer has come to a close, you can still enjoy all the amazing benefits of Tart cherry juice all year round in concentrate form. One major benefit of Tart cherry juice is its anti-inflammatory properties. It has potent antioxidants which help decrease inflammation. It is favored as one of the best natural muscle recovery fruits that you can eat. If you no longer have access to fresh Tart cherries, you can drink 1 ounce of Tart cherry juice concentrate mixed in 8 ounces of water to still get all the muscle recovery benefits after a great workout. Tart cherries will boost your metabolism and help you burn fat. It is low in calories and low on the glycemic index, which makes it a great option for diabetics. The potent antioxidants and naturally occurring melatonin promote brain health and improve sleep. Try drinking 1 glass of Tart cherry juice 1 hour before bedtime as a natural sleep aid. Other significant benefits of drinking Tart cherry juice is its protection against cancer, specifically colon cancer, and minimizing the risk of stroke. You can also consume Tart cherry juice to give your immune system a boost and slow the effects of aging. If you would like more detailed information on how to get and stay healthy the natural way, please be sure to click the link below. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.